NAB 2025. I'm here on the MultiDyne stand with Jesse. Hi, how are we doing?
Good to see you.
So we're going to talk a little bit of openGear. We
Correct.
like to do that.
Yes, that's right. So over the last year, MultiDyne Engineering has been focusing on continuing to have more integration with our openGear card set across our other offerings, which include fiber camera adapters, PTZ camera extension systems, field fiber systems for audio, bulk audio, and video transport. All those types of specialty products that you use at the edge are all now able to go to a unified, homogeneous solution in openGear in the machine room. This graphic is basically showing all the different products that are currently cross-compatible with the openGear card that I'm referencing. The engine that we use for this pairing is the 4600 for 12G. This is the card that is cross-compatible with all those other devices I just showed you.
Yeah.
It's also openGear to openGear as well, and you can cascade these to build up larger systems. So you could add 4 additional 12Gs per card or additional Ethernets. So it's a very powerful solution that is, being embraced in multiple markets, including enterprise broadcasts, so corporate AV space.
Right.
Just to have that openGear, Ross is doing so well with Ultrix and their openGear offerings that it's just a natural to be able to put our system next to all their other openGear solutions, right? So it's that openGear story really coming into play for us. And the other thing I'd mention is, the further evolution of our gateway products. So this is the 2110 gateway solution we have, and it's available in a range of flavors, I would say. For 10G networks, you can do, it's all a function of bandwidth. You could do as many, 3Gs, you could do 3 over a 10G, for example.
Yeah.
If you have 25G, you could do 6 on the network and 2 off.
Yeah.
These are all different models that we offer, and they could sit right next to, an openGear base station card, for example. So now you have a unified frame system in your fly pack. You have your gateway card sitting adjacent to the base station card that's doing all your signal I/O for your camera system. So you'll see more of that happening, more integration and convergence in openGear from MultiDyne. At IBC, we'll have an 8-channel 12G card, 8 channels on one card for 80 channels in a 2RU frame of 12G. So still focus heavily on openGear.
Absolutely. Well, of all the partners, we speak to, there's just evidence there's ongoing support for the, it's just, keeps going strength to strength.
Yeah, it's excellent. It's
Absolutely.
good for everybody.
Brilliant. Thank you very much. We've done another video here on the MultiDyne stand, but and also some other openGear videos with other partners, and for everything else that we're doing at NAB 2025, it's kitplus.com.